you're sitting comfortably watching this video. But what if I told you that the very place where you're sitting today was once burning at temperatures of over 8,500 degrees, or that it remained buried under ice for millions of years? Both of these are true. In this 10-minute video, you're about to witness Earth's 4.5 billion year journey. Long ago, where our solar system exists today, there were only massive clouds of gas and dust. According to scientists, far away from these dust clouds, there was once a star. Over time, that star began losing energy, which eventually led to a massive explosion. Because of this explosion, dust particles in space started colliding and compressing together. Under intense pressure and heat, these particles formed larger rocks and meteor bodies. At the same time, radioactive materials within these clouds helped generate gravitational forces. Due to this gravity, hydrogen and helium gathered at the center. As pressure increased, a massive explosion occurred. This marked the birth of our sun. The remaining debris, asteroids and heavy particles, began orbiting the sun. Continuous collisions among them eventually led to the formation of planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Scientists believe that during this time, a Mars-sized object orbited near Earth. Due to Earth's gravity, it was pulled closer until a massive collision occurred. This impact scattered debris into space, forming a ring around Earth. Over time, these particles collided and combined, creating our moon. Back then, Earth had a single massive ocean, boiling at around 1958 degrees Celsius. Everything you know today existed in a molten, chaotic state. Gradually, Earth began to cool. Heavy elements like metals sank to the core, while lighter materials rose to the surface. For millions of years, meteorites bombarded Earth. These meteorites carried salts, minerals, and water. Slowly, Earth's surface cooled enough for water to settle. Scientists believe that deep underwater volcanic vents gave rise to the first microscopic life forms. As time passed, Earth's surface became covered with water while its core remained extremely hot due to radioactive activity. This heat eventually escaped through volcanoes. Thousands of volcanoes erupted across the planet, forming land above water. Even then, Earth had no stable atmosphere, and meteor impacts continued. Around 3 billion years ago, Earth's atmosphere began stabilizing. Volcano activity slowed, and a day on Earth lasted only about 12 hours. Over time, microscopic organisms evolved and began living in groups. Around 2.5 billion years ago, certain organisms started using sunlight and minerals to survive and released oxygen as waste. This marked a turning point. Oxygen levels in the atmosphere began rising. Eventually, this led to the formation of Earth's atmosphere, an ozone layer. But increased oxygen also caused massive extinctions. Iron in Earth's surface reacted with oxygen, turning the planet reddish, similar to Mars today. Later, tectonic activity caused cracks in Earth's crust. Lava flowed out for millions of years, increasing carbon dioxide levels. Acid rain began, cooling the planet dramatically. This led to Earth's first major ice age. The entire planet froze over. Ice reflected sunlight back into space, keeping Earth frozen for millions of years. Eventually, volcanic heat began melting the ice. Meanwhile, life deep in the oceans evolved further, becoming more complex and using oxygen efficiently. However, cycles of freezing and warming continued for thousands of years, causing repeated extinctions. Still, some life forms adapted and survived. Over time, oxygen levels increased again. Acid rain decreased, the ozone layer thickened. Around 470 million years ago, the first plants appeared on land. Soon forests spread, with trees growing as tall as modern buildings. Sea creatures began moving onto land, evolving into terrestrial animals. Eventually, most land combined into a supercontinent known as Pangaea. Earth's climate stabilized, and days became about 21 to 23 hours long. Over time, land animals evolved into dinosaurs. Some grew massive, while others became smaller and faster hunters. About 200 million years ago, Pangaea began breaking apart. This allowed more moisture and greenery to spread, supporting diverse life. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for over 200 million years on land, in the sea, and in the sky. Then, around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid, larger than Mount Everest, hurtled toward Earth at incredible speed. When it struck, it released energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs. Everything near the impact vaporized instantly. Dust and toxic gases filled the atmosphere. Massive floods and earthquakes followed. Within hours, Earth became a living hell. Dinosaurs went extinct due to starvation and harsh conditions. Meanwhile, small mammals, our ancestors, please subscribe for more videos.